So we're leaving Pushkar today after 2 nights staying here. We're leaving Pushkar and the 30,000 camels that we saw over the last 2 days, and probably about, 10,000 horses, and probably about that many beggars. I think it's probably been the most beggars we've seen in one place. So we're just packing our bags and we're going to be heading down to the local bus station, and we're busing it again today to Jaipur. So I'm quite looking forward to Jaipur. I've read up quite a bit about it. We're there for a couple of nights. I think it's going to take us around 4 hours, so should be good. Another day on the road in India. As I understand it to be the Pink Palace. I call it more terracotta, actually. The whole city is known as the Pink City, but definitely terracotta. The terracotta city is a bit of a mouthful, I suppose. So everything's called pink. Everything's called pink. Amer Fort behind me. And of course the snake charmer just had to start up just as I was talking. So we're going to start our walk up to the top of the fort. Now, for hundreds of years, elephants have been used to transport people up to the fort. And unfortunately, they are still being used today, so I'm not really happy about seeing that, but can't do much about tradition, I suppose. And of course, the tourists pay to do it. And luckily, Intrepid are really against all that sort of thing, so we don't even have the option to ride them, thank God. So might just have to turn a blind eye to all the elephants. So this has been carved out of a single piece of marble. stop. We're about to hop on a bus. It's just a couple of hours. A couple of hours would normally seem quite long, but it's not long compared to some of the bus trips and train trips that we have been doing. So we've spent our 2 nights in Jaipur having a look around the old walled city, or known as the Pink City, which is really terracotta in my opinion. And yeah, we've just got 1 night there and our next stop, and then we carry on from there. So let's see a little bit more of India today. The local bus depot. I don't know how you would choose which bus to go on. And this is our beautiful mode of transport. She's a beast. 2 hours. So he's been joking with us all tour, hasn't he? Joking with us all tour about riding a public bus, and we've been getting 5-star air-conditioned Volvos and Scanias. So when he said we were travelling on the public bus, it's like the boy that cried wolf, and we didn't really believe him, did we?
No, we didn't.
Guess what? We're on a public bus. We're just getting a cultural experience. And this is my air conditioning, complete with bars. And that's the one next door, which is about the same condition as our one.
Yes, we did.
Yep, 2.5 hours, actually close to 3 hours, and we've just been dropped off on the side of the road in nowhere really, and our transportation to our accommodation has just arrived at the bus stop, and it's a safari of jeeps. Woo. So good old Mahindra. We should be thankful that that's not our accommodation, but I'm not saying anything until I actually see where we're staying. Despite the hairy public bus trip and the hairy jeep ride to get here, what a little oasis. This is beautiful. What lovely grounds, very peaceful. Off the main road, main dusty road. Our room is in that block straight ahead. It's lovely. And this is the dining area. Scotty's patiently waiting for his cold beer to wash away the dust. Waiting for your cold beer, Scotty?
I'm waiting for the beer. The cold beer.